Big Zulu versus Cassper Nyovest. This is an awkward fight. I mean, one guy from KZN, the other from wherever he's from, Mahikeng or Mafikeng, I don't know. But in terms of celebrity status, this might be a big match, you know. But when we have to put like in perspective, a big match in South Africa currently in celebrities, I say Cassper Nyovest versus let me see. I'm not really sure actually. An AKA Cassper Nyovest and AKA, that can be a match of the year. Even though it's an exhibition, it's like crazy. It has a lot of hype in it. It has a lot of animosity in it. It's a huge deal. But Cassper Nyovest versus Big Zulu, I don't feel it, man. I don't feel it. Cassper has been boxing for a while now, man. He's been boxing for a really long time. At least he's had like 3 celebrity matches. Or yeah, and he won. Actually, he won. But he only lost one, which is Naak Musiq, which is very debatable. I want to debate that one by Naak Musiq. So anyone who wants to debate that one by Naak Musiq and Cassper Nyovest, just highlight me. But Cassper Nyovest, I believe, won that fight against Naak Musiq. Mainly is the reason why a lot of people say he won, Naak Musiq won, is because they don't really judge a fight. When they judge a fight, they don't really look at how many punches he landed. They look at how many punches he threw. Definitely Naak Musiq threw more punches than Cassper, but he missed. Cassper landed more punches, so it's somewhat debatable. But Big Zulu and Cassper Nyovest, man, Big Zulu is bigger than Cassper Nyovest. Big Zulu is big, so if you understand what I mean, Big Zulu is bigger than Cassper Nyovest, which is crazy. But I think he'll get knocked. I don't know. It's not gonna get knocked. I think he's gonna get beaten up on this one. I think Cassper will do a little work on him, but he won't knock him out. But he will just do his work on him. So Cassper Nyovest versus Big Zulu, man, put my money on Cassper Nyovest, man. Put my money on Cassper Nyovest.